Hi guys, if I'm looking a little bit flushed, it's because I've been out here at the boat races at the Orange Boat Ramp, and the heat index is like 96 today. This is definitely Southeast Texas. You know, a couple of weeks ago we were fighting the cold, and now it's getting hot again. So I didn't stay out here too long. I've just got a little short clip of some boat races and such, but I hope you enjoy it. And you're on the road with Penny.
Once again, like I was saying earlier, all these guys are bound for the rule book.
Yeah, I got back up there and we were laughing.
Well, I hope you enjoyed what we got for you. I had to go get me a snow cone to keep hydrated because it is warm out here. But I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was short, but hey, some of them's going to be short, some of them's going to be long, you know. And as always, you never know where you're going to go when you're on the road with Penny. Bye, guys.